Because this is the United States of America, for God's sake. There is nothing we cannot do when we do it together. And one word, and I mean it, one word, possibilities. Possibilities. That's what you guys believe in, possibilities. Based on science and hard data. And so I just thank you for not only your intellectual skills, but your heart, your determination. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I shouldn't have done that because I wanted to yield to my vice president who's smarter than I am.
Well, there's not much to add to that, Mr. Parker.
Probably just sorry.
No, but I will say that I do believe that this administration, with the leadership of our president, is without any question about science. And everyone here knows before the president was president, he was dedicated to science, the moonshot. And my mother was a scientist.